Health leaders say they are concerned about this newest variant, Omicron. The WHO, the World Health Organization, calling the global risk very high based on early evidence here. Now, we are committed to giving you the facts, not fear. Our Paula Suro breaks down what you need to know to keep your family safe.
Is a cause for concern, not a cause for panic.
It's a race against time to find out more about the possibly more transmissible COVID-19 mutation, Omicron, as holiday travel approaches.
This Omicron variant does spread rapidly, but keep in mind, this is in the context of a circumstance where in South Africa there was relatively little COVID going on.
It was first discovered in South Africa and so far has spread to Europe, Australia, Canada, to name a few, sparking some travel bans by the Biden administration. And while no cases have been reported in the U.S., local health officials say
just a matter of time before we identify a case in Georgia.
Alex Millman with the Georgia Department of Public Health says that'll be especially true if people don't get vaccinated or receive their booster. While there are still many questions, Emory's Dr. Carlos Del Rio says vaccinations will still offer some protection.
They will work probably less than they did against Alpha, but they're still going to work probably no different than they do against Delta.
Both Millman and Del Rio say this new variant will mean masking and hand washing will continue well into next year. Testing will too. Dr. Anthony Fauci is encouraging that now more than ever.
Fortunately for us, the PCRs that we mostly use would pick up this very unusual variant that has a real large constellation of mutations.
Especially with the holidays around the corner.
And new tonight, Delta Airlines says its planes will still fly from Atlanta to South Africa despite these concerns of COVID spread. There are U.S. travel restrictions to a few African nations, and Delta flies between Atlanta and Johannesburg 3 times a week. Right now, the airline says there are no plans to adjust.